What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I just want to go ahead and say, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment on the videos. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell button for any future uploads as well. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started on today's video. So let's go ahead and use this product. So Shine Armor is a pretty great product to have around. It smells great and it does clean as well, and it's a great product by far. It's really good. I like how it leaves that smell like of leather, you know, really like brand new leather. That's what this does as well. And basically it does eliminate odors. I would think you can even use it like on, you know, this type of material on your sides as well, your doors, and it just gives it that fresh smelling like leather scent that comes from, you know, cars that are brand new with leather. So what I'm going to do is get some of this and spray it on here. Spray a decent amount, and we're just gonna go ahead and, oh, it smells really good, and we're going to go ahead and clean this. And there you go. You could see it got some dirt right there, so we know the product's working. Now I'm gonna get a yellow microfiber, and that way you guys can, well, look right there. We'll go ahead and spray another part of the microfiber, and we'll go ahead and get this spot. What is that? Oh shoot, that's a tear.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, well, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this part. Shoot. God bless America. All right. So I'm just kind of doing it really hard, not super hard, but putting some pressure on there, and we can see it works. Check it out. Definitely picked up some dirt. Now let's try it with the yellow one just for old time's sake. So I'm gonna try it again, and of course this one's with a yellow microfiber, so it's pretty clean, just a little dirty. Before I knew how to wash microfibers, you know, this got washed the wrong way, and therefore, you know, it has lint on it, but I don't really use it anymore for detailing or anything like that. It's more just for the interior cleaning, and that doesn't really matter. Let me go ahead and show you guys here. All right, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. Give it a, oh, you know, I think it's this. Yeah, there you go. Jeez. Some strength into it. What's the worst that can happen, huh? Okay, so here we go. It's a moment of truth. And there you have it. It looks, you know, that's where my hand was, like that. And you can kind of see it, you know, it is darker. But what I do want to say is, one of the things is just, it smells so great as well, you know. It smells so great. It got dirty, and this product just go a long way as well. I want to mention that. Here, spray it a good 4 or 5 times. It smells great, guys. I really wish there was a smellometer or something like that with this. And I mean, it's going on here, and it just smells like a boot store. Leather. It smells like leather. It smells really, really good, and you can see it. You're just working it in here, and check it out. So there you have it. Dirt from the seat. That's dirt from the seat. And where better else than the headrest? Headrest has a lot of, you know, germs, because just the fact that the head's really oily. And so get 3 spritz, 4 spritz there. Let's go ahead and, you know, really work this one here. So not only will your car smell great, but you get to clean at the same time. Out there, you kind of see the difference on there. Now, I do want to say this, like once you vacuum out the car, all that good stuff, this is going to be your final for your leather seats, and it's going to smell great. I guarantee it. It just smells really awesome. It smells good. It smells like a just real leather. So that's what it smells like. And so anyways, with that being said, guys, check out Shine Armor. I will leave the link down below. That way y'all can get your very own Shine Armor leather interior. Now, I will be doing a future giveaway of some of these products, so stay tuned for that. Keep an eye out on that. I'll mention it probably on Instagram or the TikTok or all the other social medias, Twitter. So keep an eye out for that. All right, with that being said, guys, that concludes today's video. And if you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. As you can see, this product did work. It works really good. I promise that once you spray it in your car, it's gonna smell like, you know, brand new leather. It smells really, really good. Like I said, unfortunately, I can't prove that, but I mean, it smells good. It's pretty good. So anyways, with that being said, guys, thank you to Shine Armor for sponsoring this video. And like I said, comment, like, subscribe. As always, feedback is appreciated. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and stay tuned for more videos.